contra las casernas y Vilanova la Clausur. And in front of us we have the Diablesa de la Geltrú. La cercanía de la Vigilia has started. The Diablesas de la Geltrú. Here we have the Diablas de la Curiana Tiscamin. Then we have Carpa and Burro. Two very Vilanova style fire spitting monsters. After them, here we have the Valle de Sagrado. In the distance there we have the Giant. I don't think I can walk through. Here in the midtown we have the Ballecitas, the River Dog. And here in the background, the Mulasta. And we also see some of the, some other folk dances here. So this is the starting point for the Cercanía de la Vigilia in the Festa Mayor of Vilanova la Clausur in Catalonia 2010.